Hello guys, after the success of Samsung Galaxy A50, Samsung is planning to launch its Samsung Galaxy A70 soon. So this Samsung Galaxy A70 will be an unique device unlike other A series smartphones. So this is the first smartphone in Samsung Galaxy A series to come with a punch hole display. To talk about the other features of Samsung Galaxy A70, Samsung Galaxy A70 is coming with a 6.7-inch of Super AMOLED OLED display, and the processor will be Snapdragon 675 with 6 GB of RAM. So processor, there is no confirmation whether the Samsung will go for the Snapdragon 675 or Snapdragon 710 or 712. So this is the software, this is the hardware details of the Samsung Galaxy A70. Coming to its camera will be huge triple camera of 32MP plus 5MP plus 8MP and a huge selfie camera of 32MP to take a detailed selfie pictures. So the battery is around 4500 mAh with the support of fast charging, and there is a Type-C port provided for faster data access and faster data transfer. As we can see in the leaked picture, the fingerprint is given at the back, but it is expected that the in-display fingerprint sensor may come with this device. So the expected release is around in June 2019, and this device is going to cost you around $550 and 40,000 Indian rupees. So if you like this mobile, if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for such kind of technology related videos. So thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.